Hello guys, Dev here. Today in this video, I gonna show you how to add monthly subscription system inside your Kodular app. If you didn't install our Aia Store App yet, then go and enjoy the free AIS while you're waiting. So without any ado, let's start today's video. Understanding of the system, how this system gonna work. First, if the user is new and has not yet subscribed, if you also not subscribed to channel, then do it fast. You will see a message saying your monthly plan is inactive, and then the user will click on continue payment. Then he will see the in-app billing, so he has to pay here. Once the user pays, his ad subscription will begin and they will see their subscription expiry date. If their subscription expires, they will receive a message that your monthly subscription has expired. I will show you recently for payments we were used the in-app billing, so I had already created the video for in-app billing system. The link is given in I button. Then you must watch the remove ad system video, then start watching this video, else you will not understand anything. So please watch those videos. I am also creating the playlist for these videos, and if you want the yearly subscription system, then let me know in comments. So now I am muting myself. Watch this video carefully.
They said to me, yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Like me, when you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy and so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me. Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like. that you've been waiting for, somebody like me.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and give your valuable comments. Till then, be happy, keep coding. I will see you in next video.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking